I think it's really important that events like the Festival of Enterprise are happening in places like Rochdale. There's a lot of support out there for businesses, but there is a stigma that it's always in big cities. And actually the fact that we can come into boroughs and work with more local, either established SMEs or businesses in this local area without having to travel a long time to get access to this information is really good.
Oh, I've really enjoyed it, and I've got loads of great tips from some of the speakers, and I was writing, my notepad nearly ran out. I've got so much information that I'm going to go away and put into practice.
Events like today give us the opportunity to showcase things that will make those businesses more efficient, very much enabling those businesses to come together.
Well, events like this, wherever they are, if they're in Rochdale or anywhere else, they get people in front of people to share ideas and tell you about what you're doing, which is so important.
First of all, I'm based in Rochdale currently, and I think these events are crucial because it kind of helps to promote what we do within Rochdale, but also strengthen Rochdale's position within Greater Manchester.
I think it's such a good opportunity to meet people. For me personally, I just think it's so nice to get out there and hear other people's ideas and to get my ideas heard out there as well.
I think people should take away the support aspect that's available from GM Business Growth Hub, but also what's available in the whole Rochdale area. They can collaborate with other businesses, there is opportunity to network and there is opportunity to grow that business from within Rochdale.